Hello there. Thanks for clicking on my video. Before we get started with the core topic of the video, let me explain who this video will be the most useful for and what purpose does it serve. So, voiceaiwrapper, our product, is essentially a platform that allows agencies to connect multiple voice providers and white label it under their brand and then resell to their clients. They can control pricing, they can control client access, and a lot of other things. So there are a variety of agencies that use us, agencies that work with law firms, agencies that work in real estate, agencies that work with GHL. One of the biggest pain points that these agencies face is the client onboarding process and the billing process. So in this video, I'm going to explain how we've created a module which allows agencies to offer their services as a SaaS product and automate the entire client onboarding process and the client service process. So let's dive in. A quick request before we dive into the video. I've seen that a lot of you have been watching my videos, and I try to keep the videos very practical and to the point. You know, I have seen that very few of those people who have watched subscribe to our channel. So a request to you all to subscribe and like the video. This encourages me to create more videos. And if you need videos on specific topics, please feel free to add your comments, and I'll be happy to create those topics. Okay, so to give you an example, we ourselves are a SaaS product, and on our pricing page, we have our pricing plans listed, and then anyone who wishes to sign up for our product can just hit the start trial button, and this starts their journey, and they can sign up, create an account, and then the automated billing kicks in once the free trial is over. Right? The purpose of the video is to show you how to create something similar of your own and have a SaaS product work in the background for you under your brand without having to create and develop a SaaS product of your own. And the SaaS product that we're talking about here is a product that will allow you to create voice AI services for your clients under your brand. So let's see how all of that works. To try this out, you would need a free trial account on voiceaiwrapper, so you can sign up for a free trial. This doesn't need a credit card, right on our website. And then you would need to create an account on any of the voice providers that we integrate with. For example, you can create a VAPI account, or you can create a retail account on their site. Now, once you're signed up, you will be inside our dashboard. And to create your white label SaaS, the first step would be to create your voice API provider, which you will do here. And once you connect your keys, your voice API provider will be synced. There are detailed instructions, tutorials, and live walkthroughs inside our product, which will explain how all of this works. The next step is to connect your domain, which is very simple. And again, there are detailed instructions. There's a walkthrough which explains how to add your subdomain and launch this entire product under your own brand. Then you would go ahead and connect your Stripe keys. This will connect the billing to your Stripe system. And the next step is to create products that you would want to sell in a SaaS mode. Yeah. Once this is done, head over to SaaS Creator, and this is where you create the pricing table that you can then put on your website, and the entire client acquisition and onboarding process becomes fully automated. So while you're creating products, let me show you one of the products that I've created. So I've created a product like this, and I've said that this product has a monthly pricing of $299 and the annual pricing is $2,990. Fill in some details, and I've chosen to add this product in the SaaS Creator module by just switching on this toggle, and I just hit save, right? So similarly, I create products that I want to list on my website, which I want clients to come in and subscribe for and get billed automatically. After that, I'll head over to SaaS Creator. Inside SaaS Creator, there is an option to create your own pricing table. Now, this pricing table, once created, can be embedded directly on your website. Either you can take the embed, or you can embed the links which are behind the CTAs, right? So when you're creating a pricing table, you can give it a name, you can select the frequency that you are offering for billing to your clients. You can also select what frequency you want to highlight in your plan type. You can switch between light mode and dark mode. Then you can add the products that you want to show on the pricing grid, right? There are also additional options. You can highlight the plan that you want your clients to buy first. There's option to add highlight text. You can also go ahead and configure your call to action. You can also go ahead and add additional feature details, right? So once you're done with this, you just hit create pricing table, and it is going to create. I created one and I've called it my SaaS, and then it's going to look something like this. With this particular table, I've chosen just two plans, a pro plan and a basic plan. And in the configuration, I've highlighted annual plans. So when I take this code and if I embed it on my site, when people go in, they'll see a similar pricing table like this. And then, just like the growth plan is highlighted on our page, if you were to create a pricing grid and have one of those plans highlighted in configuration, they will see a similar plan. And then you can customize, you can add icons and stuff, and you can customize your product description. You can also include product inclusions, and you can also customize your call to action, right? So as you notice, I've named this one as grow now, I've named this one as start now. So once you're done with this, just take the embed code and just paste it in your site. When people click on that link, so you can either copy paste the embed, or you can also take the link behind the CTA and paste it behind the CTA on your website, right? Once people come in and click on get started, it'll automatically create a client account in your system. So instead of having to manually create a client and add them to your Stripe, it'll automatically create a client account, create a Stripe account in your system. It'll automatically assign assets to them. So for instance, here I've added assets like an assistant, a knowledge base to that specific client. But in the case of SaaS Creator, all of that gets assigned automatically. And instead of having to assign plans manually, because you have given the clients an option to pick their plan before they subscribe to your plan, so the plan gets assigned automatically. So this entire system process of client coming in, selecting a plan to sign up for, them getting user credentials for their white client portal, and them getting activated on a billing plan, that gets fully automated using the SaaS Creator module. We also have a interactive walkthrough inside our product. So if you have any questions or if you need any help, you can either reach out to us via chat. You can definitely check out the help videos and the tutorials, or you can also book a call inside our app. So this is a very brief and short description of how agencies can use our SaaS Creator module to onboard clients on voice AI services automatically in a SaaS mode. Let us know what you think, and I'm happy to take any question that you might have.